Are you ready? Are you ready for the Omugido dance, a combination of different drums all the way from this part of Africa, Uganda? Thank you.
Video now, we only look at your sea and Yoko. Dapping a screen, dapping a screen. Here in the video, see a Nyoko. Remember that. Sharing a video to get see a Nyoko. Sharing a video to get your Tapping a screen. Canada. Tap your screen, tap your screen, tap your screen. African night. Omuli Toronto yagala abazinyi bano oŋŋamba.
Wow. Give it up to Nima one more time.
Call me, my number.
Thank you so much on behalf of the Nima choir all the way from Kampala, Uganda.
98
Please allow me first and foremost to say thank you so much to Madame Rita Cox, a woman behind our coming to this beautiful country. Thank you for your concern. Thank you for your generosity. Thank you for your money, your donation. We are a charitable organization that do take care of kids in Uganda that don't actually have parents due to HIV/AIDS and many other civil wars in our beautiful country. And the youth that are dancing here today, most of them have been actually raised up in a place called the Children's Orphanage in Uganda. So every penny you give to our noble cause will put a child in school in a place called home and to have a better future tomorrow. So I'm going to challenge you without getting shy. If you have any donation, we came 10,500 kilometers all the way from Uganda, so it will make a big difference. We do have our music sold on the CDs for $10. We came with handmade jewelry on our booth right there. Please visit for sign-ups. And I'm gonna put a basket, one of them. Oh, where? Right there, one of the most prettiest one. And she's one of the young ones. She's 16 years. She's 16 years. Help Nambi to go to school. Every penny will take her to school. Every penny given. Every penny given. Thank you so very much. Tovayo Nambi. Anybody who wants our CD, we can sell. Madam Rita, we have come to the end of our performance. Beautiful. Thank you so very much. Everyone. Anybody who intends to make a booking of our choir, please come to the booth. We can come and do the same kind of performance to your churches, to your schools, to your backyards. We can go everywhere by the grace of God. May God bless you so very much. Everybody who has come. May God bless Canada. May God bless Scarborough. May God bless brothers and sisters. May God richly bless you. God richly bless you. Every donation given will help us go an extra mile. Thank you. Thank you, our sister. Thank you. Thank you. You just paid our flights. You just paid our accommodation, our transportation, our meals, our insurance. Thank you.